Hello everyone. So we'll be continuing with our series, that is the mains series. So today our topic will be on Dadabhai Naoroji. So the question is, Dadabhai Naoroji played an important role in India's history and its freedom struggle. Discuss. So we have to write this answer in 250 words. So in 250 words, to write this kind of answer, we need to have good content, right? Because in 250 word, to write about somebody in 250 words, so we simply have to fragment it and write it on a very efficient way. See, here it's asking about important role in history and freedom struggle, so we have to give the achievements. Okay, so when Dadabhai Naoroji comes, so we can fragment into political achievements, economic achievements, social achievements. Okay, so in these three sections we need to have some content so that we can cater to the stipulation of 250 word, right? So in introduction you can write one line: Dadabhai Naoroji, also known as the Grand Old Man of India, played an important role in the formation of Indian National Congress. He played a very important role in the formation of Indian National Congress in 1885. He was the first Indian to become a British MP. So here what I'm doing is I'm giving a uh, achievement, kind of a overall general achievement. He was the first Indian to become a British MP. Okay, fine. So now coming to the achievements. So first of all, we'll write the political achievements, then you can write the social and economic achievements. In political achievements, we can start with the organizations he had formed. So he played a very pivotal role in the foundation of London Indian Society in 1865. So London Indian Society 1865, to discuss social, political and scholarly subjects. Then we can write the very famous East Indian Association in 1867, to convey the Indian perspective to the British. He wanted to convey the condition of Indians to the British. He was also a member of the Indian National Association, and this Indian National Association was started by S.N. Banerjee and Anand Mohan Bose in 1876. Okay, he also became the INC president. It is also a political, because he became the president thrice: 1886, 1893 and 1906. And during his third term, this was the third term, 1906 INC session. And during this third term, he prevented a split between the moderates and extremists, because the split happened the next year, 1907. Before that year, there was a condition that split could have happened, because moderates wanted Gokhale, extremists wanted Tilak. But a compromise was made and Nairoji became the president. So this was also a good political contribution. He became the president 3 times. Okay. Then the demand of Swaraj or self-rule was first expressed publicly by him. Publicly by him. It's a very important thing. The demand, INC's demand of Swaraj, was first expressed publicly by him in the 1906 INC session. In the 1906 INC session, it was first expressed by him. Okay. So here, these 2 points are very common. It's mentioned in book. This point will fetch you extra mark. This point is also mentioned in book. It will fetch you extra mark. And first point. Okay. And so these are the political things. Now coming to the economic achievements. So economic achievements, one point we all know, that is the drain of wealth theory. So he introduced the drain of wealth theory, where he made effort to prove that money was being drained out of India. It's a very common point. Everybody knows it. Now coming to second, he later published a book, Poverty and Un-British Rule in India. So you can divide the 2 points, or you can write in 1 point also. There is no problem in writing in 1 point, but I have divided it. So one is drain of wealth theory. One is he wrote a book, Poverty and Un-British Rule in India, where he estimated the loss of India's revenue to Britain amounting to 200 to 300 crore million pounds, and that was never returned. He wrote this in his book. Okay. Third point. Now third point will also fetch you extra marks. See, first 2 points are very common. Drain of wealth theory and poverty and un-British rule is very common. Now this is the third point which will fetch you extra marks, and that is what is needed in mains answer writing. That is content, because this is a very factual data question. You have to give that content due to his drain of wealth theory, because he has he brought this way of drain of wealth theory. The British was forced to form the Royal Commission on Expenditure, that is the Welby Commission, in 1896, where Nairoji was also a member. Now the thing is, Welby Commission everybody knows. If you go through Spectrum also, will find it. Welby Commission, it is the Commission on Expenditures. In 1896, British brought this commission. But why? Because of the pressure put by Dadabhai Naoroji, because of this theory. And in this commission, Naoroji was also a member. So it is a very big achievement in 1896. Okay. And this is related to economy, so we have put it in the economic achievements. Okay. Now, third is social achievements. In social achievements, he founded the Gyan Prasarak Mandali. Now here also 2 to 3 points common, 2 to 3 points extra, and these are the points which will help you in mains and will also enrich your prelims, because they may ask you in prelims exam also, right? So he founded the Gyan Prasarak Mandali. Gyan Prasarak Mandali, it is the society for promotion of knowledge to educate the adult men and women. So for education, society, we can put one education point. Second is, he was the first Indian to become a professor at the Elphinstone Institute, Mumbai, where he taught mathematics and natural philosophy. He established the Renumaya Mazdasnya Sabha, that is for the Zoroastrian religion. This is also very common. It is mentioned in books. It is established the Renumaya Mazdayasnya Sabha to restore the sanctity of the Zoroastrian religion. He also brought a fortnightly, that is the Rastgoftar, very famous, and he promoted Parsi social reforms there through his Anglo fortnightly Rastgoftar, that is the truth teller. Okay, these are all information which will help you in prelims. Okay, next one point also we can mention about the Zoroastrian Trust Funds of Europe. Okay, he founded the religious, cultural and social organization for Zoroastrians, that is the Zoroastrian Trust Funds of Europe, that is ZTFE, along with Muncharji Hormuzji Kama. उनके साथ मिलके he had brought this trust of the organization. So in conclusion, you can write Dadabhai Naoroji was instrumental in the establishment of INC and believed in non-violent and constitutional methods of agitation. He always believed in non-violent and constitutional methods of agitation. So in 250 words, we also satisfy the demand of the question with the required content with extra enrichment. So this is what mains exam is all about. Okay, thank you.